Yeah, g'day YouTube, Breezy here. I've got Kel here to help me out. She's my eyes. I'm going to flick the ignition switch until we get those two white marks on the on those cogs there to line up in the middle, and that should be top dead center. If it's not, well, you know, it's pretty close to it. And then I've got to take a photo of the one down the bottom and see if it's pointing at the mark, but I've got to use my phone for that. Oscar,
We're having a conversation.
where are you having a conversation? All the dogs and the having a conversation. So I'm gonna give it a crank, and I think it, if I believe right, it goes that way. So this should go that way. Should. Oh, it's locked. Ready?
Mhm.
Oh, I disconnected a earth strap.
So nothing's
Hold on.
moving.
Hold on. I disconnected an earth strap.
Oh, is that why we've got no movement?
I think. I disconnected an earth strap. That's an earth strap.
Doesn't look disconnected to me.
Yeah, to the motor. To the motor? No, it should be still.
It sounds like a flat battery.
No, I didn't. Probably start. He's not even. He's probably not engaging yet. Not a flat battery. Because it usually clicks.
There's nothing. Well, something's clicking.
Oh, okay. I might have to turn it over by hand then. Okay. Maybe I've pulled off another wire that is part of the ignition. Okay.
Okay, plan B.
Plan B. I'll just turn it by hand.
And how do you do that?
I get a.
Can't you just find where you've just unplugged it? Would that be easier?
God, there's wires everywhere.
Oh.
It's not just an easy plug it in and go. Yeah. I wish it was, but it's not that easy. Well, that's an earth strap as well.
You got an I in here, a 6.
Yeah, I know. They're all part numbers.
Oh.
They're part numbers, and then I've got to take the caps off. I'm going to take these caps off to get to the head bolts. The head bolts are actually underneath the cams. And the camshafts are the ones that actually open and close your valves to let you.
So, did you see the gasket yet?
No, because I haven't taken the head off yet.
Oh.
I've only just taken the tapper cover off. They're tappets. So, no, I'm still away from that yet, Kel. The head is this part here that goes down to It's about that thick. And it's the whole thing that goes right along.
Well, it's interesting how one half of it is all muck and rust and the other half isn't. So it must have blew out on that side of it.
Well,
not
it did.
That side.
It did blow out on that side. Oh well. Thanks for being my eyes.
Just come and get me.
Don't worry about it. I'll be my own eyes then, shall I? Looks like there's a big storm coming. Big storm over the back there. Wow, okay. Okay, now I'm at the back of the vehicle. I've got my trusty phone. So, they're the cams. They look reasonably okay. A bit of wear on a couple of the lobes, but yeah, you can see a bit of, I would say copper colour coming through. The camera's not focusing the way I want it. And mind you, I'm sort of holding two things at once, so that's a little bit better. That's 2 days. And I ain't no mechanic. I'm just a DIY YouTuber. Hey Cal. It's YouTube here. This is Kel's studio, YouTube. Look at this big tall.
Excuse me, are you perving on Tilly?
Tilly's tall.
Tilly is tall.
She's got a big vajayjay.
She also spins.
I bet she does.
She does.
She looks as high as a kite. She's that tall. So what are you doing today, Cal?
Well, I had an idea for my drawings.
My battery's just about ready to die, but... Oh, look at that.
So, the drawings that I do...
Nothing automotive here, but anyway. Oh, it is automotive. It's off your automotive brain. It just...
I mean, you get the gist of it.
Man, that one looks like pimples.
And this one's going to be the painting that I'm currently doing.
You can't tell that she's a fire maniac.
But I've got this book.
Cal,
It's a scrapbook.
whose hand is that over there? Just there, like, is.
It's not a hand. It's a back scratcher.
That's a back scratcher. Oh, okay. I was going to say, if you need a hand, there's one there.
So I was thinking of putting the images in here.
Oh.
And having a...
Thanks, Cal. Thanks for showing us your studio. YouTube have been wondering why the caravan's sort of been sitting there, and I have been saying it is a studio, and it is a studio. It's Cal's studio. There used to be a bed there. I used to sleep over there, but now it's an art studio. She can make a mess and have fun.
Absolutely. And in the school holidays, you'll have to update it on my art channel because me and Chucky are going to be painting the outside of it.
You're going to paint it with chickens. Who's Chucky?
They'll have to wait and see.
Oh, okay. So stand by for that one, because that's a little. If she's saying painting, and it's a caravan, that's a little bit of an automotive DIY. So yeah, we'll definitely be looking forward to that one, Kel.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, thanks for that, Kel. See you later.